Does she look nervous?
This is the demise of Elly.
Let's hope not. Testing the fan. I mean, the fan's more powerful than Elly, but never mind, eh?
How do you open the bonnet?
That little thing under there. You have that.
We need a HT lead.
I'll take the bonnet off.
Well, you could.
Might be easier.
That's ridiculous.
So this is not the first time one of these engines has been on this dyno, but it is the first time a 2CV has been on this dyno. We've got a slight issue that there isn't really a direct gear on a 2CV, so we're going to have to try and work out what's going on with numbers, I guess.
It might cheat a little bit, but...
Okay, is it reading the sparks?
No.
Oh no.
Yeah, so it's a bit scattery at tick over.
Yeah, well, we'll just have to see. This is live. This is the joys of live. Oh, there's the comments. They've come back. My dodgy wiring causing issues. Aye, have you know. Those HT leads are actually very good quality. So I've got to run in for a while to try and get the oil up to temperature. You driven a 2CV before?
No.
Should be fun then. First challenge, find first gear.
I'm going to guess.
Sorry, I painted over the markings. Second, no, reverse, sorry. Second.
That's third.
Third.
That's third.
Yeah. Reverse. First.
Dog leg first.
Dog leg first. Sports car, mate. Hence the racing stripes. So second gear, pull away. Oh, 6 horsepower. Oh. That's hard work. Come on, Elly. It's not counting the roads very well. So maximum power of a 2CV is produced at 5,750 RPM. It wasn't reading the routes at all.
Wasn't it?
No, every now and then it just ping up to 5,000, but generally not.
Oh, right, okay.
We may have a struggle here. Elly is fighting the machine. So this clipper doodad is meant to be measuring the sparks, and it's struggling.
It's all over the shop.
It's on 0, 1,000, 500. My HT leads are just too good. Nothing at all on that one.
Apparently it's only got one cylinder.
Definitely running on 2.
Sounds like it.
Just keeping all the electricity. Oh. Oh, no, oh. Alright, go number 2. Go number 2. Keep those donations coming, folks. Elly is now suffering in the name of art. Needs to put a tray of eggs in the back. Now, when she's not bouncing around very much, I think she'll be alright. I'll put the bonnet back on to catch all the bits about to fly off. No, I have faith. Well, maximum power is 5,750.
If it lets go of some pistons, one of them's actually no. It'll go between the cars.
Yeah. Right, go to. I'm going to flip the camera, I think. Where is it? There it is. There we go. Take 2. Hors d'oeuvre. Her engine mounts are very good, actually. She can do it. She can turn them dyno wheels. Well, that's true. Pistons do let go, we'll auction them off. That was all of the rev. Look at the little wheels go. Still not getting a very consistent spark reading. Although the figure we're going to see isn't necessarily representative.
The revs were all over the place.
Yeah.
It's just not picking it up very well.
Whoa. 30.6. Wow.
At 1 RPM.
1 RPM.
1 RPM.
Yeah, yeah. One big rotation, 30 horsepower.
Graph.
Yeah, look at that.
If you do it on road speed.
Oh wow. Yeah, she bogs down at first. Not known for their torque, 2CVs.
It's producing 103 pound-feet at the wheels, which is, I mean, that's low.
Yeah.
But
it just shows you what gearing does.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah, that's the gearing.
Yeah, that is impressive. 30 horsepower. Wow. Believe it's a fairly low mileage engine, and it's certainly very, very sweet.
22.8 at the wheels.
That's not bad at all.
That's dangerous, mate. You be careful in that when you go.
So we're losing 7.8 horsepower.
Yeah, I mean, it's a guess. It's like it does its best to measure the drag on a coast down.
Yeah,
yeah. A load going down isn't the same as a load going up, but that takes that into account. So this number here is never. That's the only, that number there, you only compare that if you're doing two different cars on the same day on the same dyno. So that's the corrected figure, which is the DIN figure.
Impressive. Well done, Elly. There you go.
I would call that a win.
Yeah, you wanted to see it, folks. I'll take back everything I said. It is a good dyno. And my Bilingo is rubbish.
And my Bilingo is rubbish.